Now from here, I'll take you to a different module altogether, which is called food and recipe, which is very important module here. Now, before I start something, the new good news is we will be giving you a 1000 free food and recipes when you onboard for Fitify. You just have to upload it as a bulk upload as an Excel, and you will see a list of all the food and recipe will populated here. In case if you want to have your own custom food and recipe, because of course you're a dietitian, you will be of course creating a multiple recipe names and all of that. Just provide the name, description, how to prepare, calorie, food types. Again, it's a flexible. You can add, let's say, protein. These are tags, these are flexible tags. Whatever you do your way, just write it down over here. Ingredients, grocery list in case if you want to add. Nutrition value, for example, proteins, let's say, I'm not sure, let's say 100 grams or milligrams. So you can just keep writing proteins. So you can just keep writing proteins, iron, calcium, sugar, carbs, magnesium, all of that. These are all optional. In case if you don't want to go in this level of detail, just ignore it. In case if you're a dietitian who wants to be very specific, very detail oriented, you can use it as well. How to take food categories, vegetables, fruits, all of that are there. And then quantity and unit. For example, let's say you want to give a, let's say, what do you say that, let's say omelette. It could be maybe in grams, let's say 100 grams or 50 grams, whatever it is. Or maybe you want to give them some, let's say, fat burner tea, which is typically in milliliters or maybe liters. So you just create your recipe. Again, it's a one time activity. It is like setting up your foundation of food and recipe in such a way so that once you start creating the diet charts, all you have to do is like choose it from the food and recipe and give it to your client. In case if you also wanted to add food and recipe at the time of creation of diet chart, you can do it as well. You have flexibility to edit, delete, all of that. You have flexibility to check out, you have flexibility to download your entire Excel, and then you can re-upload the Excel if you are very much interested in bulk upload. So various different kind of flexibilities are there. Now